to Montauk Point, New York, out 20 nautical miles. For this afternoon, southeast winds around
National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for west central Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 3:30 p.m. At 12:29 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Huntington, Comac, Stony Brook, Centridge, Hauppauge, Smithtown, Centerport, Cold Spring Harbor, Farmingville, Lake Grove, Nissaquag, Huntington Bay, Oldfield, Asharken, St. James and East Northport. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate